boom, right? Combat follow through. From then on, my bad, you'll be like this. Sometimes people like this, or you can go over the shoulder. So when I do this, the shoulder, the light of the light over the shoulder and the gun are going to come up together. Boom. That makes sense. A couple of things to think about with this when you get weird, but you'll offset. I recommend this one. You drop the pistol, okay? So you cross in the wrists. Okay.